Hey guys, Telebus is back with some latest updates of your very own favorite shows and celebrities. Get ready as Telebus brings to you an exclusive interview of your very own favorite Vivian DeSena, aka RK of Madhubala fame, by Nautanki Films with his beloved wife, Bobby Sarabji. Watch this part 2 of his interview and enjoy.
And who's the more shopaholic person, you or your wife?
I think he's taken over. When we met, it was me, and we fight like crazy just over our cupboards. Because he being a boy also has 10,000 shoes and clothes.
Okay, which you will never see me wearing. That's the best part, which is the fight, for which the fight is all about. She says, you shop, you keep, but you never wear. You got to discard clothes to buy new ones.
Just hoarding, that's all.
So, yeah,
but yes, I think he's taken over.
Yeah, but just that, I don't get time from shoots. So whenever Barbies and me are out, I actually like buying because, I don't have the time mostly. So whenever I go and shop, I just go
and now though he doesn't need me anymore.
So
I
I have this habit
that he doesn't need me also anymore. Now that when he goes alone, like every time he comes home, I was like, what's this? I bought some t-shirts, I bought some pants, I bought some shoes. Like, so he has taken over like completely.
Yeah, so Wabi is a good wife. She saves a lot of money of mine, which I work hard for. So
and I blow it on myself.
She's saving my money. I'm just blowing it on myself. So I think balance. We maintain a balance, and I usually don't get time, which is why I just go once and for all and shop a lot of stuff, and then keep trying at home that okay, I'll wear this, I'll wear that. But still, 90% of it is just. The other day we had a big fight because she removed some t-shirts which she wanted to discard, but they had the tags on. So we keep fighting on these small
So we all got the answer in short.
And if you were asked to be a part of a reality show, would you be interested?
Depends. What is the reality? Which reality show you talking?
I mean, like a Jhalak or a Big Boss or something like that.
Let's see. If we both would like to be a part of a reality show together. So
even you, what about
of course we would have loved to, but we have some professional hazards. Commitments. That's why we are not part of it. Otherwise, we have been offered 2-3 times, and we would have loved to do it because it gives you a great bonding time as well when you are working together.
of course.
And otherwise, we both have not actually done any reality shows as yet, so it's definitely on the cards.
And do you have like a mentor for anything?
Mentor?
Yeah, like do you idolize someone when it comes to acting or professionalism or anything like that?
No, it's okay. You don't have to say my name.
And you being a Salman Khan fan, so what do you say?
See, I have taken inspiration from Mr. Salman Khan since childhood. First time I lifted dumbbell after watching Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya. When he first time he went topless and he had those 6-pack abs, and I was just looking at it and saying, okay, I will also make this kind of body someday in my life. So yeah, I did achieve the target, but unfortunately the shooting schedules are forcing me not to go to the gym because honestly after working 14 hours, 16 hours, you really don't have the energy, and obviously the gym will not be open 24/7 for you. So yeah, still trying hard. Let's see where we reach.
And do you have any new twist happening in Saraswati Chandra where fans can really wait for something?
Well, I can't reveal anything, but yes, there'll definitely be a lot of more drama coming up and a lot more of me also coming up. So please do watch it.
And what about Madhubala? Anything that you can just give a little sneak peek to them?
I haven't read the screenplays, but yeah, obviously Madhubala drama नहीं होगा तो फिर मधुबाला एक इश्क एक जुनून कैसे होगा?
And every time you'll have some time, you'll have just been holidaying, be it your honeymoon, be it Maldives.
See,
So we love holidaying. I feel rather than blowing up your money in other ways, you might as well blow it up, be together, bond together, spend quality time together, and see the world.
And occasion थी तो बनता है. It was my birthday.
And it was his birthday, yes.
First birthday after getting married.
But we make a lot of trips, no doubt. We go, or else we just go to Pune, my house. But it's always better because the profession that we are in is very demanding, and to spend time together is very important.
You just de-stress. You have a chilled out, normal life like a relaxed human being. So I think that's good. Short holidays are very important.
Hey Telebuzz fans, to know more about me and my latest updates, subscribe to Telebuzz.
Hey Telebuzz viewers, to know about me, Madhubala, and all my latest updates, subscribe to Telebuzz.
If you guys enjoyed this lovely up-close and personal interview and want to see the third part and lots more, then hit the like button and leave your comments.
Hey Telebuzz fans, to know more about me and my latest updates, subscribe to Telebuzz.
Hey Telebuzz viewers, to know about me, Madhubala, and all my latest updates, subscribe to Telebuzz.